Hello everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 20th, 2025, we're diving deep into the USDCHF, analyzing both the latest news and technical chart data. We'll explore the recent volatility and try to decipher what's next for this pair. Let's start by looking at some recent news headlines to set the stage for our analysis. According to recent reports, the Swiss franc has been benefiting from the current market environment, and Bank of America analysts have said it's a primary beneficiary, so we should keep that in mind as we analyze the charts. We will also see how any tariffs or global issues may affect the pair, according to investing.com. Now, let's transition to the charts. We'll start with the one-day chart to get a broad overview of the USDCHF's price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see significant volatility, particularly in late April 2025. We see a drop from about 0.92 to 0.82 in a short time span. Let's examine if we can identify support and resistance levels and any emerging trends. The recent price action suggests a downward trend, but we need to look at shorter timeframes to confirm this. A strong support level seems to be forming around the 0.81 level, acting as a floor, whereas resistance seems to have trouble staying above the 0.84 level. To get a clearer picture of the more recent price action and potential short-term opportunities, let's switch to the one-hour chart. Here, we can see a more granular view of the price fluctuations in the past few weeks. It appears the price has been consolidating near the 0.81 level during that week in April, which could signify either a strong support or a possible shorting opportunity when that bottom is reached. This could be correlated with the economic outlook mentioned earlier, but let's narrow down and get some more evidence. Let's narrow our focus to the last few days on the one-hour chart to identify more immediate trading opportunities. Here, we can see more evidence of the price consolidating around the 0.81 to 0.82 levels. But it has had a hard time staying above 0.82, giving us a hint to short the pair when it reaches above 0.82. However, since we don't know how the market will behave in the future, we should set take-profit levels accordingly in case it breaks through. It could be a good opportunity if the Swiss franc remains a beneficiary of the economic outlook, as some reports have indicated. Now, let's check the 15-minute chart to see if we can get a better idea of when and where to set the trades. Looking at this time frame, we see the pair is currently at around 0.818, which may be a good opportunity to short. If the one-day EMA is any indication, it will likely not break above 0.84 for a little while, making this an excellent short-term trading opportunity. To recap, potential scenarios we see with USDCHF as of April 20th, 2025. First, the pair will likely be supported by 0.81, which would signal a long opportunity in the future if it reaches those levels. Second, if those supports break, a short opportunity is likely to occur as traders continue shorting the pair.